Greetings, fellow science enthusiasts. Today's challenge is all about choosing the correct science term. Let's dive in. Choose the correct term for capacity to do work or to produce heat. Hints are force, energy, power, and labor. Fantastic! It's energy. The measure of amount of solute dissolved in a solvent? Options are molality, molarity, concentration, and normality. Superb! It's concentration. What is the correct term for force exerted by gravity on an object? Options are pressure, friction, weight, and magnetism. Very true, it's weight. Do you know what to call the mixture with uniform composition? Options are heterogeneous, solution, homogeneous, and suspension. Yes, homogeneous is the right answer. Here is a tricky question. The property of self-linkage of carbon atoms to create chains and rings is known as, hints are catenation, synthesis, isomerism, and polymerization. Mind-blowing! It's catenation. Now check your energy level with this question. The sum of kinetic and potential energy is? Hints are thermal energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, and nuclear energy. Tremendous! It's mechanical energy. Can you choose the correct term for the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons to itself? Options are electron affinity, electronegativity, ionization potential, and electropositivity. Fantastic! It's electronegativity. Next quiz question is, an organic molecule containing at least one carbon-to-carbon double bond is termed as? Options are alkyne, alkene, hydrocarbons, and alkane. Bravo! Alkene is the right answer. Do you have any idea about the correct term for the gas directly turning into a solid state? Options are evaporation, condensation, deposition, and sublimation. Awesome! It's deposition. Find scientific term for one or two letter abbreviation used for the name of elements. Options are chemical code, chemical logo, chemical language, and chemical symbol. Perfect answer. its chemical symbol. Now the term for elements of groups 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 8A. Options are F block elements, D block elements, P block elements and S block elements. Marvelous! It's P block elements? Can you guess the correct term for the thermal decomposition of alkane in the absence of air? Options are hydrolysis, electrolysis, photolysis, cracking. Excellent, it's cracking. Next term to choose for the minimum amount energy needed for a chemical reaction to occur. Scientific terms given to choose from are activation, potential, thermal, and chemical. Brilliant answer. It's activation energy. An element markedly differ in physical properties, but nearly same chemical properties. Options are polymorph, allotrope, inert, and isotope. True, it's isotope. Let's keep going. Choose the correct term for the process of making a liquid weaker. Options are evaporation, solution, dilution, and distillation. Magnificent! It's dilution. Next question is, the reaction where heat is absorbed is known as? Options are exothermic reaction, thermal reaction, combustion, and endothermic reaction. Excellent! It's endothermic reaction. Can you choose the term for the attractive force between two polar molecules? Hints are dipole-dipole, dispersion force, hydrogen bond, and ion dipole force. Wow, you got it! It's dipole-dipole force. Here is another one. To measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution, commonly called... Options are Kelvin scale, pH scale, digital scale, and nominal scale. Very right. It's pH scale. Regular change in the properties of elements from left to right in a period of periodic table is termed as... Options are periodic law, periodic trend, periodicity, and all of them. Very genius you are. It's all of them. Can you identify the term for the statement, the chemical reaction using electricity? Options are hydration, electronation, electrolysis, and reduction. It's electrolysis. And that wraps up today's exhilarating round of Science Quiz Show. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next brain-teasing adventure.